Hello and welcome to Lucid Dream Mastery channel. This video will teach you about the Lucid Dream Induction. In this video, we'll explore the world of lucid dreaming, and learn how to induce lucid dreams through simple and effective techniques. A little about the lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming refers to the state in which a person is aware that they are dreaming, while still in the dream. Lucid dreaming has been researched by scientists and psychologists for over a century, and has been shown to have numerous benefits, including reducing nightmares, improving problem-solving skills, and enhancing creativity. Why lucid dream induction is important? Lucid dream induction is important because it allows us to take control of our dreams and explore the unconscious mind. By inducing lucid dreams, we can use our dreams as a tool for personal growth, healing, and self-discovery. What are the effective lucid dream induction techniques? There are several techniques for inducing lucid dreams, including reality testing, dream journaling, and using sleep aids such as lucid dreaming supplements. One of the most effective techniques is called the WILD method, which stands for Wake Initiated Lucid Dream. This technique involves staying awake for a period of time after falling asleep, and then consciously entering the dream state. Let's review the MILD technique. Another popular technique is called the MILD method, which stands for Mnemonic Induction of Lucid Dreams. This technique involves repeating a mantra, such as "I will remember to realize I'm dreaming," before falling asleep. This repetition helps to train the mind to become aware of the dream state. Now the WBTB technique. The WBTB method, or Wake Back to Bed technique, involves waking up during the night, staying awake for a period of time, and then returning to sleep. This technique has been shown to increase the likelihood of experiencing a lucid dream. Tips for successful lucid dream induction. To increase your chances of inducing lucid dreams, it's important to keep a dream journal, maintain a regular sleep schedule, and practice reality testing throughout the day. Additionally, engaging in creative activities, such as writing or drawing, can help to strengthen the connection between the conscious and unconscious mind. In conclusion, lucid dream induction is a powerful tool for exploring the unconscious mind and unlocking the secrets of the dream world. With the right techniques and a little bit of practice, anyone can learn to induce lucid dreams and take control of their dreams. Thank you for watching this video on lucid dream induction. We hope that you found this information informative and helpful. If you're interested in learning more about lucid dreaming, be sure to check out the references listed in the description below. Subscribe to my channel for the future epic lucid dreaming tips and tricks. Happy dreaming!